Have you ever wondered what happened when Prophet Adam first came to Earth? Let me tell you an amazing story. Long, long ago, after Adam and his wife Hawwa left paradise, they found themselves on Earth. Everything was so different. There were no gardens that grew by themselves, no fruits that appeared magically. They had to learn everything from the beginning. At first, Adam felt sad. He missed paradise. But Allah taught him something very important. Even though he made a mistake, Allah had forgiven him, and now he had a new chance to show gratitude and work hard. Adam looked around at the beautiful earth. There were mountains, rivers, and trees everywhere. "We can make this our home," he said to Hawwa. And that's exactly what they did. Adam learned how to plant seeds in the ground. He would dig the soil, place the tiny seeds carefully, and water them every day. Days passed, then weeks. And guess what? Little green shoots started popping up. Adam was so happy. He was growing his own food. Hawwa learned to gather fruits and prepare meals. Together, they built a simple home using branches and leaves. It wasn't like paradise, but it was theirs. They made it with their own hands, and that made it special. Every day, Adam would wake up early and thank Allah. He would pray and ask for guidance. He taught his children to be kind, to work hard, and to always remember Allah. Adam showed his family that making mistakes is okay, as long as we say sorry and try to be better. He taught them that hard work brings blessings, and that family is a precious gift. And you know what? We're all part of Adam's family. Every single one of us. So when you help your parents, when you work hard at school, when you say sorry after making a mistake, you're following in the footsteps of Prophet Adam. Remember, just like Adam, we all have the chance to make Earth a beautiful place, one good deed at a time.